Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 14 Ultra and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find the security and privacy. Then we have to scroll down again and tap on more security and privacy. Then scroll down and tap on encryption and credentials. And as you can see, almost at the very bottom of the list, we've got the option we're looking for. So let's tap on clear credentials and confirm it with OK. Now we have to enter the screen lock to confirm. And as you can see, not only we've got this information, but also this option is inactive, which means that we just successfully removed all certificates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.